Namaste everyone. Here we have to find the value of 1 upon square root of 19 minus square root of 360 minus 1 upon square root of 21 minus square root of 440 plus 2 upon square root of 20 plus root of 396. Now here what we do, we will solve these individual terms first. Now if you observe this 19 minus root 360, 21 minus root 440 and 20 plus root 396. What you observe that if you take the difference of squares, like square of 19 is 361 and square of this root 360 is 360. So difference is of 1. Here if you check, square of 21 is 441 and this is 440. Square root of 20 is 400 and this is 396. So you are getting difference as of 1 to 1 or 2 like that, 1, 1, 1 and 4. So better what we do, individual terms we first rationalize. So here first term is 1, it is 1 divided by root of 19 minus root 360. So what we do here, we will multiply and divide this by root of 19 plus root 360. Same thing I will do in denominator. Okay. So this term I am multiplying and dividing by 19 plus root 360. Now in denominator you have formula of a minus b into a plus b n square root. So numerator I will write as it is, like 19 plus root 360. And our denominator will become square root of 19 into 19. Here n square root, it is 19 minus root 360 into 19 plus root 360. So this will become 19 square minus root 360 square, which is 360. So if you simplify, you will get root of 19 plus root 360. And this divided by square root of, here it is 361 minus 360. So finally we are getting 19 plus root 360. Denominator is 1. So square root of 1 is 1. Now see here, this term root 19. Now if I factorize this 360, let us factorize 360, what we get. So factorization of 360, if you factorize this 360, we will start with 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, then again with 2 we get 90, then again with 2 we get 45, then we get with 5, 5 9 is, then with 3, 3 is, okay, then 3 is here. So this is one pair, this is one more pair, and inside we have root 10. So this I can write this root 90 plus 360 as square root of this 90 I split, inside the bracket I have root 10. So I will write this as root 10 the whole square. Now root 10 the whole square is 10 and plus 9. So plus 9 is what? The square of 3. And here this 360 I will write as 2 into, this is one pair, so 2 into 3 into root 10. So I can write 2 into root 10 into 3. So I hope you are getting an idea what I am trying to do. I am trying to express this term as a plus b the whole square. So here it becomes root 10, so I will say root 10 plus 3 the whole square. So this square and this square root will cancel and I have root 10 plus 3. So the first term, which is 1 upon root 19 minus root 360, I got as root 10 plus 3. In the same way, let us solve 1 upon root 21 minus 440. So 1 upon root of 21 minus root of 440. So here what do you do? In the same way I will rationalize. So root of 21 minus root 440, we will multiply and divide by square root of 21 plus root 440. I will divide by the same square root of 21 plus root of 440. So this will give square root of 21 plus here we have root of 440, and here in denominator we have square root of 21 is 441 minus this is 440. So this gives me square root of 21 plus root of 440. Now again this root 21, what I will do? I will split this 21 as square of two terms. So for that we will find factors of 440. Okay, so factors of 440, if we write the factors of 440, so we can start with so 4 I will take directly 4, so I will get 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, and here now we have inside root as 11. So if you see, if I take 11, so here we have 10 and then we have 2 into 5. Okay, so 10 and 11 inside root, and this 4 can be come out of after root as 2. So this I can write as root of 11 the whole square plus root of 10 the whole square, right? This 21 you can adjust as root of 11 the whole square plus root of 10 the whole square. This is 11 plus this is 10, 21, and this 440 you can write as 2 into root of 11 into root of 10. Okay, so this will become square root of root 11 plus root 10 the whole square, which will give you root 11 plus root 10. So this is second term. Now the third part is 2 upon root of 20 plus root of 396. So 2 upon third part is 2 upon root of 20 plus 396, root of 20 plus root of 396. Now the first term is 19 minus, second term is 21 minus, third is 20 plus. Okay, so when we have 20 plus, what we do? We multiply and divide by 20 minus root 396. So here in denominator we have 20 minus root 396. Now numerator will be 2 into, now this 20 and this 396, again 396 I will write. How we can write this 396? So let us factorize 396. Now definitely 4 I can take common, 4 9s are 36, 3 4 9s are 36. So this is 11 and this is 9. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So what I can do? I will write this 20 as square of 3 plus square of root 11. So first I will write root 11. This is root 11 square plus this is 3 square minus, here we have 2 into root 11 into 3. So here it is a minus b the whole square, and denominator, what will be the denominator? This is 20 square. So is inside square root we have 400 minus we have 396. So on simplification, here I will get 2 into, here it is square root of root 11 minus root 3 the whole square, right? Here it is root 11 minus root 3 the whole square, divided by, here it is square root of 4 which is 2. So after cancellation we have root 11 minus 3, sorry, this is not root 3, this is 3. So I will say that root 11 minus 3. So it is root 11 minus 3 is your final answer here. So therefore finally what we can say that therefore our problem is 1 upon root of 19 minus 360, root of 19 minus root 360 minus we have 1 upon root of the second term is 21 minus 440, 21 minus root of 440, then we have plus 2 upon square root of 20 plus root 396. So this first term, simplification of first term is root 10 plus 3. This is root 10 plus 3. I will put this in bracket, then minus here for the second term the simplification is root 11 plus root 10. Here it is root 11 plus root 10, and finally the third is plus we have root 11 minus 3. So we open this bracket, we have root 10 plus 3 minus root 11 minus root 10 plus root 11 minus 3. Now this 10, root 10 and this root 10 we can cancel, this plus 3 and minus 3 we can cancel, and minus root 11 plus root 11 we can cancel. So final answer we will say that is 0. So 0 is our final answer. Have you understood how we solve this problem? Yes. First what we done? First we rationalize each term, and then whatever term we got in root, as it is in root we try to express this as a plus b the whole square. Okay, and by that we remove the root sign. So simplification of first term gives me root 10 plus 3. Simplification of the second term gives me root 11 plus root 10, and simplification of the third term will give me value as root 11 minus 3. And finally when I put these values in this expression, I get answer as 0. I hope you understand. Yes. Thank you.